जिनो प्रुडंट T20 कप 2017 सर्तींत परवरे GCA ग्राउंडार सोमारा पयलेच मॅचींत धेंपो ज्युनियर्स खोर्जुवें स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आड 124 रन्सांनी जिखले. पयली बॅटिंग करताना धेंपोन 214 रन्स जोडले. जाप दितना खोर्जुवें 7 विकेटी वगडावन 90 मेरेनूच पावले. दुसरे मॅचींत नित्यानंद स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान युनायटेड 11 9 विकेटींनी मारले. युनायटेडान पयली बॅटिंग करताना 101 काडले. नित्यानंद क्लबान 12व्या ओव्हरींत 1 विकेटीन विनिंग स्कोर मारलो.
Oh, nicely picked up and gets the boundary. Excellent shot, a cracking beauty from Rajat. A lofted shot, nice and straight down the ground and up and over for maximum. Coming down the tag and once again there is a fielder, he takes it. What an excellent catch. Nicely picked up and enough bet on that one, bounce to fence. Oh, nicely picked up this time. Stand and delivered. Oh, flatted delivery and paying the price for that. Once again a good hit. Right in the block hole, well bowled. This time and again bowling that, so 215 is the target to achieve in a thick edge in the ball, running down, gets the boundary. Oh, bowled him. Once again missing the line of the ball. Excellent throw and the finger goes up. That's the wicket. Number 3 goes down. A good hit this time, and this is the kind of shot which is required for Konkani Sports Club. Lofted shot and it's a 6. In the leg side and did well, absolutely fantastic. That's it and that's all, and that is what we had from this first match. Congratulations them for juniors for a fantastic win. Well bowled, and this time beautifully done, and good looking shot, gets hold of this one, and this is the beauty of the power play. In the gap the ball races away to the boundary. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one, well taken. Inside in, the ball will travel 100 up, in fact 101. And 102 will be the target for Nityanan Sports. A lofted shot, gets hold of this one, and the ball coming right out from the middle of the bat. Gone the distance. Once again, giving caution to the wind. The ball is sailing, just falling short. Bang! This time aerial. The ball is flying high up in the sky. Oh, nicely done, absolutely beauty in the backward of the square leg. Congratulations Nityanan Sport for a spectacular win.
पहिले GFA वेदांता लिगाच्यो फर्स्ट लेग सेमीफायनली आयतारा जाल्यो. धुळेर स्टेडियमार जाल्ले पयले सेमीफायनलींत पेंजीम डॉल्फिन्सान आल्बर्ट प्रिन्सेसाक 1 गोलान मारले. दुसरे सेमीफायनलींत SCC सांताक्रूज सौसान फ्लेमिंग ऑरांजाक 2-1 हारयले. इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.